Today a bit of fun, so we've got two things to do. One thing has been replacing the thermostat, which completely gone, and as you can see it gave up, but that was the genuine Renault part back in the day with the part number PA66GF30, genuine one, and that one lasted for 25 years. No, actually, sorry, 21 years. And I put a red new one. To get there you have to remove all these things, but that's the thing to do now. So you have to remove all the hoses, turbo pipe, get a nice axis there, remove that all out of the way, and so on. And tools are there. Why am I removing this? Well, that's the cause of it. A boost pipe which was cracked here, temporarily fixed up. As you can see, someone did it, but actually that was me back in the time. The weather wasn't good, so I couldn't get into it. I just didn't bother. As long as the DPF light didn't was coming up, I was perfectly fine. I was driving like a grandpa for I think 2 or 3 months, but now I've got a bit of time. So to remove this pipe, which is up on top, perfectly fine, no problems. But to get down there, which is down there, you have to remove the battery, the cover, fuse box, ECU, the plate, because the clip which holds it is exactly here, and you can't get it from under because it's buried inside, so no chance. And then when I was doing it, they done it, the bolt is facing upwards, which is kind of a savior. So this has to go whole thing out, because the other way of doing it, you have to take the bumper off, mess around with the screws, usually they're rusty, and then running the shops trying to find it, pain in the ass. So I thought, okay, fuck it. But I removed this for the first time, and actually I was very surprised that, oh fuck, flat screw, I'm not gonna go. Actually I just tapped it and all of them went nicely. The only thing which got rusty because of this is just acid battery back in the time. And as you can see, first examination of the Renault after looking here for the first time. God knows who was before me, but I think no one was before me, because there was still, this is untouched, probably since new. So I will be the first one to stick my fingers there. Obviously I don't like mess around with the ECUs, but usually everything goes good, so I will stay there. The only thing is this rusty bugger got a bit rusty, so that will be a bit of fun to remove that. And then after you remove that, you have to just fiddle with this somewhere there. I saw it up with the screw there, but okay, now that might be a fun there to put it back in. Unscrew it will be easier, but screwing it back in, I still have no idea how to do it, because I didn't have a jelly hands to expand. We see. So yeah, done that because it was leaking for a long time, and yeah, that's done. Boost pipe will gonna be next thing. Then we're heading to calipers, if I have enough time to do back calipers, actually one only, and replace brake pads on both sides, and that's it. So a small tutorial. If you want to do this pipe, just get it. And the reason being, while I got this, you can get like just a chop bit to replace this, but a chop bit, which is that here to here, it cost only £14, and the whole pipe cost 18. And you put it in, and that's it. You replace this, then you're gonna crack somewhere down there, and it'll be, oh shit, I have to come back to it. That way, do it once, forget it, and that's it done. I put new GR valve because the other one will give up after a long time, well, after new. So yeah, so that's my time off from work when I'm messing around with my workhorse to get it back on the road. Fluid I got already. So yeah, just like a small update of my daily basis. I still mess around and fix cars, but usually my cars always stay behind to do anything with them. So today is the day when this is gonna get fixed.